Namaskar, I am Anindya Kumar Das, started yoga training in 1968 from late Professor Anil Kumar Das, who was the ex-General Secretary of Jadavpur University Sports Board from 1956 to 59, ex-President and life member of West Bengal Yoga Association of India from 1978 till death, and took the Yogasan Yogyam training from Sri Sri Swami Paramahansadev Swarupananda Paramahansadev in 1934 at Kumilla Ishwar Pashala, Bangladesh. So I am related a tradition of yoga which has been started in 1934. I have completed my BA honors from Jadavpur University of India in 1983 and got the diploma of physiotherapy and yoga therapy from Netaji Subhash Open University of India in 2005. Now I am the senior yoga faculty of Netaji Subhash Open University of India, recognized by UGC and DAC, and also a yoga teacher of a vocational training provider of National Council for Vocational Training, recognized by Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, and also I am the President of Bengal Yoga Judges Assembly, which is a recognized government organization. Most of my life I have practiced and taught yoga and meditation. My mission is to study, analyze and simplify the authentic yoga meditation procedures and break them down into simple steps so they are easily accessible to men and women of varied capability. I have worked hard and have come up with some short courses suitable for beginners or someone with some basic knowledge of the subject. I have no faith in shortcuts and quick fixes because they do not work, I think. In my opinion, a sustained, regular, guided routine of yoga postures or asanas, pranayamas or breathing patterns or breathing exercises, mudras or ritualistic gestures, mantras or repetitive chants, kriyas or symbolic deeds or the basic meditation for as little as 20 minutes per session is enough for long lasting and for benefit of our body. The purpose of the combined course is to enlighten our intellect and to free our soul from the construction of false sense of ego, to flow our life energy and vibrations, and this flow of life energy and vibrations will be unhindered. Body flexibility and muscle strength will increase. Love, joy and abundance will gradually come within our grasp. Pain, tension and stress will melt away. We will become a magnet for what we will desire. It is true that to take the first step of your side, because you have not met me and do not know me, but I have already introduced myself and I will be delighted to hear from you and to know you. Every upgraded member will be engaged in this site and can be participated in the activities of this site. I look forward to see your name there. Remember, I will be always always on the other side of your computer, eager to help you with your worries. So, any course which is suitable for you, please do not hesitate to try out. I am always here to help you. Thank you.